Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You start by matching gear and core settings so inputs are consistent. First, sync your controller with a low-latency display and confirm controller firmware is updated. Once done, set sensitivity to a baseline, around 40–50% horizontal and slightly lower vertical to control recoil. Make sure dead zones are minimal, 0, 5 to 0, 10, so small stick movements register. Choose linear or classic aim response for predictable acceleration. This helps you build muscle memory faster instead of chasing erratic aim. You now layer technique on top of settings. Begin slow strafes to feel stick travel, hold consistent pressure and return to center between moves. Next, practice pivot turns and combine jump-crouch combos to smooth acceleration and landing. Once comfortable, run custom matches or aim trainer routines for 15–20 minutes focused only on movement. Make incremental sensitivity tweaks. Change ADS and build sensitivities by about 5% if transitions feel choppy, so each adjustment is measurable and sustainable. You finish by validating and fixing issues. Record 30–60-second clips of your sessions to spot timing inconsistencies and detect jitter in movement. Make sure your game runs at a stable 60+ FPS. Inconsistent frames cause perceived stick lag, so lower settings if needed. If you still feel drift or microstutter, recalibrate or swap controllers to rule out hardware. Finally, lock in one sensitivity for a week to cement muscle memory. Small, consistent practice beats constant changing.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.